Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on a Honda Civic. Now the cabin air filter is here in behind the glove box. So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to open up our glove box and you're going to clear everything out that's in there. And then we're going to come around to the left side of the glove box. And over here we have the slow release lever arm. So we just need to disengage that in order to get this glove box out. So we're just going to press on it right here and push forward, and then just grab a hold of it and kind of just push it away from the glove box. That way you make sure it's disengaged from this little point right here that it hooks under. And then just push in on both sides, push in, and it releases the stops for the glove box on both sides. And then just grab a hold and just pull directly down on it. And that pops the glove box off of these pins right here. And now to change the filter, we're going to remove this cover by pushing on both of these tabs at the same time and then just pull directly out on it. And then to get your old filter out, you're just going to grab a hold of the corners and pinch them between your thumb and your index finger and just pull straight out on it. And the top side here, that's going to be your dirty side, and the bottom will be your clean side. And then you want to take your new air filter, and this one I just got off Amazon for pretty inexpensive. I'll put a link in the description below where I got this one. We're going to take our new filter, and we want to take note of the airflow, and we want it to match the filter that we took out, so that way that the airflow is flowing downward. And so when we go to slide it in, again, check your airflow, and you want to make sure that this part is the fin. You want to make sure the fin is facing on the outside. You don't want this way facing. If you put it in this way, you can see there's a bunch of slop back and forth. You don't want that. That doesn't mean it's fitting properly. You want to turn it, and you want it to be a somewhat of a snug fit to where when you push it back and forth, there's not a whole bunch of play in between the two sides. So go ahead and slide that all the way in until it stops, and then take your cover and you want to line it back up and press it in, and the tabs on both sides should click in. And when you go to press it in, you want to make sure you can see that the tab here is between that piece of plastic and that piece of plastic. You can see it's evenly between those two. If it's a little bit low and you try to put it in, it's not going to click in. And same with that side. It's between those two little pieces of plastic. That's how it lines up and clicks in. And now we're going to put our glove box back into place. You just want to take it and line up these hooks here on the glove box on both sides with the alignment pins that they swivel on. So line up both sides and then just press it up, and then go ahead and push the glove box until these stops get past the side here and snap in. And it's hanging there now, so we're going to go ahead and go around to the other side, and we're going to click that arm back on. So just take this arm and you have to probably grab a hold of it and pull it towards the glove box, and then you might have to just lift up on the glove box a little bit, kind of meet in the middle, and then bring it up underneath that little hook underneath the glove box, and just pull up on it until it clips in. You can give it a little push, just make sure you're clipped in, and then once it's in, you're good to go. That's it guys. That's how you place your cabin air filter. Thanks for watching.